So welcome you all again at another session of cryptocurrency hedge fund accounting. In previous session, we have seen already, what are the fair valuation methods and approaches which we can use to compute price of crypto coins. But in this particular session, we're going to focus on net assets value calculation, methods or approaches, how we can compute the net assets value of this coins or portfolio, or I would say funds. All right, so now if I talk about NAV calculation, calculation, it means it's a computation of assets, liabilities, and the make an adjustment if it is necessary. It could be for expenses, income, capital, or subscription, redemption, and all other things, right? So before finalizing the net assets value of a fund. All right, so if I talk about now NAV, so we have a different again ways to compute the NAV for crypto hedge funds. All right, so the first one is end of day price snapshots. For a daily NAV calculation funds, many funds take a snapshot of asset prices at a specific time. It could be 4 p.m. UTC. It could be 3 p.m. let's say Indian standard timing. It could be let's say 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. EST time zone. So depends on the time zone. So you need to first set the time zone for each day to to maintain the consistency in valuation. So every day you can refer the same time, same date to take the price by the time. So that same price you can refer to compute NAV calculation. All right. Second, daily close price. The daily close price from a primary exchange or a price aggregator is used for end of day valuations, aligning with close of a business timing used in traditional finance. So it means you can refer the daily close price as well from the because stock exchanges will provide this, or they'll provide you quotation for this daily close in price. So that price also you can refer to compute NAV in your fund. Then third method is real time NAV for a trading. So for a funds that offer intraday trading, real time NAV calculation is based on live prices from exchanges or aggregators, adjusted every few minutes to reflect current assets value. So it means you can see that. So where these are the basically the methods. So it depends on the requirement of that particular funds and even sometimes regulations as well. So there are NAV calculation methods. So let me just summarize it. First method is daily close price method. So it means as a fund admin or fund manager, so you need to set the daily timing. So that timing you can refer to capture the prices for coins, so that you can refer the same to compute the NAV calculation of coins. All right, so that you can refer it from the primary exchange or maybe through price aggregator, and that align with the traditional finance approach to this method. Second one is real time NAV for trading, so which you can refer it live prices from the market, and you can adjust it every few minutes, but it would be very difficult to adjust every time. So you should understand that as well, and it reflects current net assets value. And the last one method is end of a day price snapshot. So specific time that you can set it out, and that time you can reach out to the marketplace, take a screenshot, and refer that price to compute NAV calculation, so to maintain consistency in valuations and all. So basically this is how your NAV calculations come into picture. All right, so I hope now you got it. So how we can refer the different approaches to compute NAV in crypto hedge funds. So if you have any questions, so please go ahead and question us if you have any questions around it. But in next module we're going to discuss about valuations for illiquid and emerging tokens, like how we can refer their pricing quotations and update pricings for them. So all right, so be there. So I would say again, don't forget to again and again, I'm just reiterating the same thing. So do not forget to click on bell icon buttons, because you will get the notification from the YouTube. So when we upload the new video. All right. So thank you very much for watching this. So we'll see you in next episode. Thank you.